Wrinkle-Free Clothes, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there, viewers. Today, we're tackling a common laundry issue, wrinkles from the clothes dryer. We all hate it when our freshly dried clothes come out looking like they've been crumpled up. But don't worry. There are some effective strategies to prevent this from happening. Let's dive into the steps to ensure that your clothes come out of the dryer as smooth as possible.
Why do clothes wrinkle in the dryer?
Before we can fix the problem, we must understand it. Clothes wrinkle because they sit too long in the dryer after the cycle has ended. As the clothes cool, the fibers begin to set in a wrinkled state. The trick to avoiding wrinkles is to handle the clothes promptly after drying and not overstuff the dryer.
Tips to prevent wrinkles.
Tip 1. Do not overload the dryer. Your clothes need space to tumble freely. Overloading the dryer leads to wrinkling because the clothes can't move freely and heat is not evenly distributed. The rule of thumb is to only fill your dryer about halfway. Tip 2. Use the right dryer settings. Many dryers come with a wrinkle prevention or wrinkle care option. This feature will tumble your clothes intermittently after the cycle ends to prevent wrinkles from setting. If your dryer has this option, make sure to utilize it. Tip 3. Promptly remove clothes after the drying cycle ends. Make sure to remove your clothes promptly. The longer they sit in the dryer, the more wrinkles can set. If you can't get to them right away, use the wrinkle prevention feature if your dryer has it. Tip 4. Shake and fold. Once you've promptly removed your clothes, shake each item out to help release wrinkles. Fold or hang the clothes immediately after.
What if I already have wrinkles?
If your clothes are already wrinkled, don't fret. There are a few easy tricks you can use. One method is to throw the wrinkled clothes back in the dryer with a damp towel for about 10 to 15 minutes. The steam from the towel will help remove wrinkles. Another trick is to use a handheld steamer to smooth out the wrinkles. That wraps up our guide to preventing wrinkles in your clothes dryer. It's all about giving your clothes the space to move freely and handling them quickly once the cycle is done. With these tips, you'll be on your way to wrinkle-free clothes straight from the dryer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. Remember, smooth, wrinkle-free clothes are just a few easy steps away.